Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a house using Realtor.com in 2026, so you can navigate the modern studio housing landscape with high-end technical tools, connect candidly with local experts, and master the full path from pre-search to closing. Let's get into it. First, input your 2026 financial data. The first step is a mechanical necessity for any high-end search. The affordability calculator requires precise, candid data to provide an accurate 2026 market analysis. Navigate to the Mortgage tab and select Affordability Calculator. Annual income, enter your total household gross income before 2026 taxes. Monthly debt, input recurring payments like car loans, student loans, and credit card minimums. Do not include current rent. Down payment, enter the amount of studio funds you have saved for the initial purchase. By technicality inputting these numbers, the 2026 engine calculates your debt-to-income ratio. This ensures your search is restricted to homes that won't make you house poor in the current economic landscape. Next, search for your professional studio home. With your budget locked in, you can now search for properties that match your 2026 technical requirements. Return to the home screen and type your zip code or city into the search bar. Click on a property photo from the results to open the listing detail page. This is the identity phase. Clicking into a listing allows you to see high-end 2026 photos, property history, and technical specs like studio potential or home office space. Next, understand the buy and contact options. When you find a house you love, you'll see primary buttons to initiate the technical transition from candid browser to studio buyer. Locate the Contact Agent or Contact Seller buttons. Contact Agent, this technically routes your inquiry to a buyer's agent who acts as your professional advocate. They handle the 2026 bookkeeping, negotiations, and technical walkthroughs. If it's Contact Seller, in some 2026 listings, like FSBO, this sends your message directly to the owner. In 2026, clicking these buttons shares your verified contact info and the property ID with a professional. It triggers a studio-quality follow-up, often via a shared portal or instant messaging, to start the offer process. And that's pretty much it. To use the 2026 Realtor.com tools effectively, start by entering your income, debt, and down payment into the affordability calculator. Use the search bar to find a listing and click on it to see the high-end details. When you click Contact Agent, you are technically initiating a professional partnership to start the buying process. Always verify the monthly payment on the listing against your initial calculator results to ensure your 2026 studio investment is sound. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.